Your Honor, the state will be calling Spencer Cook.
Okay. All right, now that the witness has been sworn, let me just inquire, have you viewed or listened to or read any of the trial testimony in this case since the trial started?
No, I have not.
All right, thank you for that. I'll remind you to please make verbal responses to any questions that you're asked so we can keep a clear record and try to avoid speaking at the same time as anyone questioning you as well. With that in mind, Ms. Rawlings, if you'd like to inquire on direct, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Would you please state your name and spell your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Spencer Cook, S-P-E-N-C-E-R-C-O-O-K.
And where are you currently employed?
I am employed for the Salem School District.
What are some of your job duties with the Salem School District?
I am the technology director for the school district, so I'm in charge of all the computers, servers, and website, email, student information system.
Great. I think you mentioned as part of your duties that you help maintain the school district email?
Yes, I do.
And what is the email system that the school district uses?
We use Gmail or Google Suite.
Are the emails stored somewhere to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, they are stored in two different places, the mailbox that the user has access to and then an archives email that only my team has access to.
Okay. So that's how emails are stored in that system?
It is stored in Google Cloud, yes.
Okay. Were you working for the school district in April 2021?
Yes, I was.
Were you contacted by someone with the Fremont County Sheriff's Office regarding the email for Tammy Daybell?
Yes, I was.
And to your knowledge, was Tammy Daybell an employee of the Salem School District?
She was a employee at the Salem School District.
All right. And do you know what she did?
She was the librarian at the elementary school and also the computer lab teacher.
Okay. And so what type of email did Tammy have with the school district?
All employees are given a school district email, and it has access year-round, and it was an employee account, basically.
Okay. What time period did law enforcement request that you look at for Tammy's email?
It was June 29th.
And do you recall how many emails Tammy received for the week of June 29th, 2019?
Yeah, she received 36 emails.
Do you know if of those 36 emails, did Tammy save any emails?
There were several that were deleted off of her account. I think there were 6 emails that were saved.
Okay. And you mentioned that the employees of the school district have access to their email all year round?
Correct.
And are they expected to check in over the summer?
Yeah, we expect or try to have emails checked on a weekly basis during the summertime.
Okay. How active would you say Tammy was with the school email over the summer?
I would say she's active.
And how computer literate was Tammy to your knowledge?
Very literate in what she did. She was very self-sufficient. As the computer teacher, I provided resources and help to her for different classes that she was teaching. But most of the things that she did on her own. And so after I gave her initial direction, she took it on her own and was able to do things with very minimal help.
Were you able to find any emails from a Charles Vallow to a Tammy's work email?
Yes, there was one email that was received.
How did you search for that email?
Well, in the archive system, I found the email there when we searched for under her account. It was not in her inbox. It was in her deleted items.
Okay. How would a Gmail user block an email address?
If you open up the email, there's 3 dots in the top right, and you would click on block email.
Okay. Do you know whether that happened with the Charles Vallow email address?
Yes, it was.
How did you find out that Tammy's work email had blocked Charles Vallow's email address?
Inside of the account, you can go to the blocked email address list, and that was the only email that was listed as blocked.
Okay. And do you recall the date that that email was sent?
I believe it was June 29th,
In the year?
2019.
Thank you. And how many emails did Charles send to Tammy's work email?
Just the one email.
Okay. And I think you mentioned, were there any other email addresses that had been blocked from Tammy's email?
There were no other emails that were blocked, and if there was an email, it would have been rejected.
Okay. I don't believe I have any other questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Ms. Rawlings.
Thank you.
Any cross-examination?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, that'll conclude your testimony then, Mr. Cook.
Thank you.
You can be excused. Is he under subpoena, and can he be released if so?
Yes, we would ask that he be released.
Any objection?
No objection.
Okay, you can be released from your subpoena. Thank you for your testimony.